Do you remember all of the commotion about my bottom bracket? Now what you see here is that so far I have been able to turn this in all the way. That's about 2/3 by hand, and now I'm going to need a tool because it gets a bit tight. And I think I've passed the... I was hoping it was past the problem, but it's not easy, whereas with the tool it kind of is alright. So I'll just bolt it in now with the tool. This might mangle the front part of the threads, or it might fix it. I do not know. We will not know that anytime soon because it goes in tightly, meaning I will have it like that. Goes in, it will be tight, it will come out easier than it goes in. That is my experience. Whether that's any good for the threads, I doubt very much. But there's no great problems to be had from here either. So I'm going to put the drive side in super tight, as one should. So that's all the 10 elbow meters that I'll need. I'm going to see how the other side looks. This could be completely loose still. Yeah, I think we're in now. This is also a metal part. Yeah, we're looking good. So I will do one more 11th elbow meter on the drive side. And we are winning. We are so winning with this part here. And that is definitely enough. I did not think at the beginning that this would work. But we do know that it did. And hey ho, we are in. We are in, meaning next job is the cranks going on. I am so looking forward to this one. One lovely crank. Another. Now if I could only remember what I've done to these fastening bolts for the cranks. I do not know. We do know that we need some grease. And we'll put on some gloves. Now this is kind of silly and I don't know where I put these bolts. But that means I will stop the video because I don't want you to hang around while I'm looking